In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy Solana on Solflare wallet. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so your purchase goes through smoothly. Start by opening your web browser. Make sure you're on a trusted device and your connection is secure. Next, head to your browser's extensions area. This is usually the puzzle piece icon near the top right. If you use Solflare often, consider pinning it so it's easy to access in the future. Click the Solflare extension to open your wallet. If it's locked, unlock it to proceed. You should now see your wallet dashboard. Here, look for the buy option and click it. This opens the purchase flow where you can acquire crypto through third-party providers using methods like cards or bank transfers. Fees, availability, and processing times can vary by region and provider, so it's helpful to keep that in mind as you move forward. Within the buy screen, find the receive section. Tap the coin selector so you can change the asset you want to receive. This is important because you want to make sure you're purchasing the correct token directly into your wallet. Now scroll through the list to locate Solana, sometimes abbreviated as SOL. When you see Solana or SOL, select it. You'll see it populate in the receive field confirming that the purchase will deliver Solana to your wallet address. Next, tap select payment method. This will show you the supported options for your region, usually one or more providers with different fees and payment types. Take a moment to review the available methods, the quoted rates, and any purchase limits. Some providers may require identity verification, which is normal for fiat to crypto purchases. Choose the option that works best for you. With Solana selected and a payment method chosen, tap Buy. At this point, you'll typically be redirected to the provider's checkout page or see a confirmation window. Review the details carefully: the amount of SOL you're buying, the estimated price, fees, and your receiving address, which should autofill from your Solflare wallet. If anything looks off, go back and adjust before confirming. After payment, the provider will process your order and send SOL directly to your Solflare address. Delivery times can range from a few minutes to longer, depending on payment method and network conditions. That's the full flow. Keep your wallet secure, never share your recovery phrase, and always double check that you're using the official Solflare extension. Once your purchase clears, you'll see your SOL balance update in the wallet.